Hello, welcome and Johar to one and all here for the Hero Hockey India League, and this time we'll be watching a game from the middle division. It's match number 32 at the Barang Gomke Jaipal Singh Stadium between the Delhi SG Pipers and the JSW Surma Hockey Club. It is JSW Surma versus the Delhi SG Pipers. JSW Surma are pushing from left to right in their all blue outfit and in their characteristic all orange. And Thomas Domene makes the circle entry. A good turnover, an opportunity, and they do pull one back. It's come off the stick of Corey Mayer, who was part of the team, the Australian team, that took the field in the 2018 World Cup and has come to the party. He's been industrious all through the game.
Well, you throw everything into the basket, into the mixer, and it's a miracle what you can get. Lots and lots of possession. The first touch comes in from the defender, and before Van Ash can come across to it, Weir with a little touch. One thing that the JSW group must be commended for, we'll talk about this after this attack.
The attacks have come in waves. Here's a great chance to make it goal number 2, and they do make it goal number 2. JSW Surma have been on a rapid, and they've begun the second quarter in much the way they have ended the first.
You don't give that kind of space to Gurjant Singh and get away with it. Poor defending from the Delhi SG Pipers.
We see an interesting conundrum now. An opportunity for JSW Surma from inside the circle. An absolute exhausted missile that was fired by Harjeet Singh. What a strike and what a way to open the scoring.
The man who captained India to the Junior Hockey World Cup triumph in 2016, Harjeet Singh, has a lot of class about him. That was created by some of his teammates, but what an opportunistic bit of finishing. Needed to size up his options, took a little bit of time, turned away, and then just...
Time now melting away, the seconds fizzling it out. And that's to be that. And JSW Surma has somehow held on to their nerve to close out another tight encounter. They had won the reverse fixture as well against this team. That came via a penalty shootout, and this one turned out to be closer than what they bargained for.
Absolute barn burner of an encounter, just as we expected it to be, because Delhi SG Pipers had pride to play for. It was JSW Surma who pulled away to a 2-goal lead. But the return or the comeback from the team in orange was quite outstanding. But Vincent Van Ash was brilliant in goal, and he was the one who made the decisive difference in the end and leads to this full-time scoreline of Delhi SG Pipers 1, JSW Surma Hockey Club 2.